Hey, well, this is on September 20.
America Before is a great read.
Let's put the toys in.
That one yet. Is that Francis just saying sphinxter just randomly? But that's, that's how Zeb does it. He likes anal jokes. That's fine. Always that's welcome here. Donna and they claim it's wind erosion. Har har. Donna and I don't buy that. Not for 1 minute. Matt says Milo debunked the crap out of Graham's stuff. Not completely. There's certainly counter arguments. But what's annoying about the counter arguments is that Grant Hancock is dismissed as pseudo-archaeology, pseudoscience, and that's that, and the mainstream is correct. Why can't, if there's no proof of either, then we need to have the conversation. Maybe they built it 10,000 years ago. We're a half hour in, so coming up, oh no, I guess we're 20 minutes in. Coming up tonight, we've got a couple of weird videos, a couple of UAP settings that they're kind of fun and they're from the last couple of weeks. They're short videos. Of course, we've got a Geno Story Hour coming up, and